Tonight, make sure you have all your windows closed to avoid any type of problem with the individuals that stalk the houses. It is very important that, in any situation, you do not open or look at the window. If you do otherwise, no one knows where you might end up, and no one will ever be able to find you. If you hear knocking, don't look at the window. If you hear the slightest sound from outside, don't look at the window. If you are sleeping and feel the presence of someone on the other side, don't look at the window. If you hear cries for help or the voice of someone familiar to you, don't look at the window. It's probably someone evil pretending to be someone else, and you shouldn't trust him. If any of these situations occur, call 911 and wait for help, but do not look at the window at any time.
End of communication.